model, 2019 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3h2 Eprise Bluehdi Genuine low miles needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 60,108. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Nice easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.